In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up employee contracts in Odoo HR. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the page that shows all available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the different modules installed in your system and navigate to the HR tools you need. From there, scroll down until you find the Human Resources section. When you see it, click Employees. This will open the Employees dashboard, where you can view and manage employee records already stored in Odoo. Next, select the employee you want to create a contract for. This will open that employee's profile, where their personal and work-related information is organized into different tabs and sections. On the employee profile, click the Payroll tab. In Odoo 19, employee contracts are managed directly from the Payroll tab inside the employee record, so this is the main area where the contract setup happens. Now click Load a template. A contract template can save time and improve consistency, especially if your company uses standard contract structures for different roles or departments. In the Contract Template Load window, open the Contract Template drop-down and choose the template you want to use. After selecting it, click Load. Odoo will then populate the Payroll tab with the information from that template, giving you a starting point for the employee's contract. Once the template is loaded, set the contract start date by choosing the date the employee's contract begins. If the contract has a specific end date, enter that as well. If it does not have an end date, simply leave it as indefinite. This is useful for permanent employment arrangements. Next, go to the Contract Overview section and enter the employee's wage. Be sure this amount matches the agreed salary or compensation terms, since it will affect payroll calculations and reporting. After that, in the Schedule section, select the employee's working hours. This setting helps define their expected schedule and can also influence payroll and attendance-related processes. Then, review the Employer Costs section. Here, Odoo shows estimated yearly and monthly employer costs, which can help you confirm the financial impact of the contract before finalizing it. Before you finish, carefully review all the contract information. Make sure the correct employee is selected, and verify that the contract dates, wage, and working hours are accurate. Taking a moment to double-check these details can help prevent payroll errors later on. At this point, the employee contract is now configured in Odoo HR. Thanks for watching.